Welcome. Today I'm going to be taking a look at this Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and specifically we'll be doing a speed test on it to test out the Wi-Fi. So let's pull the back of this open. Okay, so this looks like a typical Fire TV stick. This is the Fire TV stick here. It has power on the side. It's micro USB power, HDMI. This is an extension because sometimes when you plug this into TV, this won't fit. So this makes it a little smaller. Here we have a power adapter. It's USB. Power is 5 volts at 1 amp. This is the remote. So this has the ALEXA voice control on it. It has the media buttons for Prime Video, Netflix, Disney, and Hulu. We open up the back here. We can put the batteries in. I always have trouble opening these up for the first time. I don't know why. So it comes with the AAA batteries. It came with the Amazon Basics Industrial Alkaline, so I'm guessing that's a higher quality battery. So we want the negative at the bottom of the remote. So there's a little spring terminal there for the negative. There we go. And we have the USB cable, the micro USB cable. And it appears to be just under 5 feet. So we'll plug in the power adapter here. I'll plug this into HDMI, and this cable is in the back of my monitor just for ease of use. So I'll plug that in. And this is plugged into a monitor right now. I bought this to use as a spare to use on projectors and things. If you have it hooked into a TV, you can control your TV with this remote using HDMI CEC. It's a protocol. But I'll plug this in right now. It says searching for remote. Tap the home button to pair. Okay, that seemed to work. It says press play pause to start. I'll do that. I'll set up English. So it says network connection successful. So I'm guessing this was set up because I already have Amazon on my account. I don't know how all the technology works, but if you already have Amazon items, it will automatically set up the network. I think they talk to each other or something like that. Otherwise, it would ask me to set the network up. So it's updating itself. Okay, it looks like it rebooted. It's saying press play pause to start. I'll press that. Looks like we're going through the setup again. It's connecting to Amazon. It registered. It's asking me if I want to change the account. I want to keep it as is. I'll hit continue. It says restore Fire TV. Now I've always skipped this, but I'm going to try this, and this will supposedly install the apps and stuff I have. So I'm going to choose my bedroom Fire TV stick. I'm not going to have parental controls on this one. It's asking me what brand of TV I have. I'll choose brand not listed at the bottom. It says it will be playing music, so I'll hit next. So I'm hearing the music. So this computer monitor does have speakers in it, and it can get audio through HDMI. It says to change the volume. I'm just going to say yes. The volume does not work with the remote with this monitor, but that's fine by me. Okay, it's asking me if I want Amazon Kids. I'll say no thanks. It says choose your streaming services. I'll say no thanks. I'll hit got it on this page. I'll enter my profile. So let's see what apps this has installed. So I think this has quite a few of my apps. So it looks like it's downloading my apps right now. So I'm going to wait a minute and let this download all the apps, and then I'll commence the speed test. And actually before that, I'm going to go in and make sure I'm on the right network. So I'm going to go into my network settings. I'm going to switch to my 5 gigahertz network. So I'm going to go to find and then search, and I want to install the Silk browser. Looks like it may be installed already. I'll hit update since there's an update available. Okay, I'll open it. So I have a network speed test running on one of my servers, so I will open up that. Okay, so I have the speed test pulled up here. I'll run it. So I got around 410 megabits per second download and 387 megabits per second upload. So the Wi-Fi router I'm connecting to is the Ingenious ECW230, and it's a Wi-Fi 6 router. So it can do higher speeds with these. The speed is probably limited to the Fire TV stick right now. So another option is to use the Amazon Ethernet adapter, and you could use that with this, but the Ethernet adapter is limited to 100 megabits. So the reason you might want to use the Ethernet adapter is if you have bad Wi-Fi access, like your Fire TV is a long ways from the router and you have Ethernet run. Now all of this being being said, one of the biggest bandwidth requirements you might need would be streaming a 4K video, and that would only take about 25 megabits. So with the Ethernet adapter, you could in theory stream 4 4K movies, or with this you could stream 16 4K movies. Now this might have a lower latency. Now there may be other reasons you might need faster speed, but for typical movie streaming, the requirements generally aren't that high. But if you are wanting the fastest Wi-Fi on a Fire TV stick, I think this is your fastest option as of the time I'm recording this video. So that's the Amazon Fire TV Stick 4K Max. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.